Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccines Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, the European Commission has approved GSK's adjuvanted RSV vaccine Arexvy for adults 18 and older across the EU and EEA, expanding beyond the prior authorizations for adults 60 and older. Then for adults 50 to 59 at increased risk, with the company pursuing similar expansions in the United States and Japan. Next, CEPI has committed $30 million in partnership with SK Bioscience, MSD, and Hilleman Labs to enhance manufacturing, formulation, and stability for a Zaire Ebola virus vaccine, aiming to improve yields and reduce ultra-cold chain requirements. In Mexico, Anixa Biosciences has received a notice of allowance for a composition of matter patent covering an α-lactalbumin breast cancer vaccine technology licensed from Cleveland Clinic, building on Phase 1 immune response signals and a focus on triple-negative breast cancer. SK Bioscience has initiated an international Phase 1/2 clinical trial in Australia for GBP511, a multivalent nanoparticle vaccine candidate designed to target the sa-mRNA family, with a planned comparative arm, including Comirnaty and enrollment of healthy adults. Arcturus Therapeutics has completed a Phase 1, first-in-human study of ARCT2304, its self-amplifying mRNA influenza vaccine candidate, part of a BARDA-supported program that compared doses against licensed influenza vaccines, with next steps to be outlined by the company. In oncology, the FDA has granted orphan drug designation to TuHURA Biosciences IFx-2.0 for Stage 2B through 4 cutaneous melanoma, following early Phase 1 safety and activity signals without dose-limiting toxicities, while a separate Phase 3 trial in Merkel cell carcinoma proceeds. In Brazil, Instituto Butantan and the Ministry of Health have launched a pilot vaccination campaign using Valneva's single-shot Chikungunya vaccine IXCHIQ for adults 18 to 59 in 10 municipalities, with up to 500,000 donated doses, and a target of 20 to 40% coverage to generate real-world effectiveness and safety data. Finally, Invervid has aligned with the FDA on the Liberty Phase 3 design for VYD2311, a monoclonal antibody for COVID-19 prophylaxis, which will compare VYD2311 with mRNA COVID vaccines in about 210 participants, include options for co-administration, and incorporate monitoring for myocarditis and pericarditis, while the Declaration Phase 3 prevention trial continues in parallel. Stay ahead in vaccines research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.